Hey there coders, welcome back to another exciting episode in our Rust programming series. In today's video, we will dive into array operation in Rust. We will explore three main concepts, that is finding the length and slicing, copying and cloning, and reversing the array. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of these operations in Rust. Let's get started. First, let's look up how to find the length of an array and how to slice. Let's get started. First, let's create an array that is 1 2 3 4 5 and print the length using dot length method. length of array is this. Here here the len method gives us the number of element in the array. In this case, array dot len return 5, which is printed using the println macro. Let's run the program and see the output. Length of array is 5. Now it's time for slicing. We will slice using for loop. For i for I in 0 dot dot array dot len println. Here we use a for loop to iterate over the array. The range in 0 dot dot array dot len represent index from 0 to 4, because array dot len uh, is not included. Array dot len is equals to 5, but that is not included in for loop. So now inside the loop we access each element using array indexing and prints its index and the value. Now run the code and see the output. Here array 0 equals 1 means at 0 index there is 1, at first index there is 2, at second index there is 3, at third index there is 4, and at last fourth index there is 5. Next, let's talk about copying and cloning arrays. Let's create one array. Let array 1 equals 1 comma 2 comma 3, and let's let array 2 equals simply array 1. This creates a copy of array 1. When we assign array 1 to array 2, Rust creates a copy of entire array. Array in Rust implements the copy thread, which means that data is duplicated instead of moving ownership. Finally, print array 1 not array 1, and after that array 2. Let's see the output. This is first array and this is second array. Now reversing the array. Finally, let's see how to reverse an array in Rust. Let's create a mutable type array equals 1 2 3 4 5, and array we use dot reverse method, array dot reverse, and finally we print the array. Let's see the output. Array is reversed. We call the reverse method of on the array. This is an in plane operation, meaning it modifies the original array to reverse the order of its element. And finally we print the array. At last we will see sorting of array. Let's create one mutable uh, let's create one mutable variable array and we simply call array dot sort method, and finally we print array. And let's see the output. Some modifications, and let's see the output. The array is sorted. Here we call the sort method on the array. This method rearranges the element in ascending order. To recap, we explored how to find the length and slice an array, how copying works in Rust, how to reverse an array, and how to sort an array. These operations are fundamental when working with array in Rust and will come in handy in many programming scenarios. That's all for this video. I will see you in next one. Let's keep building with Rust. Thank you.